Good day, guys. So Simplifi by Quicken has established itself as the go-to middle ground for people who find Quicken Classic too clunky and Rocket Money too basic. So in this year, it remains one of the top-rated budgeting apps, particularly for those who want a hands-off but accurate view of their cash flow. Right, so most apps use a zero-based budgeting, where you give every dollar a job. So Simplifi does not do that. It uses a spending plan. It looks at your income, subtracts your fixed bills and your savings goals, and gives you one simple number: what's left to spend. It's a reactive way to budget that feels much less restrictive than all the tools like YNAB or Quicken Classic. And my favorite feature of it is watch lists. So instead of a full budget for dining out, you can just watch it. If you're spending too much at Amazon or Starbucks, Simplifi sends you a nudge. It's perfect for targeting those specific problem areas in your spending without having to categorize every single head of lettuce you buy at a grocery store. And unlike Rocket Money, Simplifi actually handles investments quite well. It syncs with your 401k brokerage accounts and even crypto wallets to give you a real-time net worth snapshot. So this year, the performance heat maps are a great touch. They show you exactly which parts of your portfolio are carrying the team and which are dragging you down. And now let's talk money. So Simplifi usually sits around at around $5.99 a month. Though you can almost always find a deal for $2.99. Compared to a Monarch Money, which is nearly $100 a year, Simplifi is a steal. You get 90% of the same features like bank syncing and chat accounts for couples at about half the price. The only downside? There's no free tier. So now, is it worth it? Yes, if you want a modern, automated, set and forget it app that tracks your net worth and daily spending in one place. And that's the breakdown of Quicken Simplifi. If this review helped you out and helped you decide your next budgeting tool, hit the subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.